come up with a bag. Ain't gonna be no slacking, ain't got time for none of that.
Hola, ¿cómo está?
Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú?
So guys, we are at the airport waiting to check out. Me? Oh, what'd I just tell you? Don't worry about it. We look a little rough right now. I feel a little tipsy. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into the video. Keela get her ass on. Keela get her ass on the plane tomorrow while we on the back of the bus. We done got us a new friend. Hey girl. Hey. We legit at the back of the bus though. Oh hey friend. You ain't paying attention. Callie, you been so good.
Excuse me, what? What is her name?
Alright, we made it finally. Yeah. It's the casino and the fucking airport for me. Then want to go in. Oh, don't do that. It was just now. It was so hell trying to get a fucking Uber or Lyft. Like, what the fuck?
They trying to make us spend $200, y'all.
That shit
What?
did.
That's my casino money.
And we are here. I'm making videos. Golden nugget. Good morning, guys. It's day 2, but day 1 kinda in Vegas. Fremont Street was a vibe, but we wasn't that drunk, so yeah. But we took 3 green tea shots and we had some drink. And it's kind of nasty, but yeah, we came in at 3 o'clock because we had to get up right now. It's 7 o'clock. We got to go there and do ATV ride. I'm excited about that. So I'll see y'all then. This is the Bellagio. Welcome to the Bellagio. Bellagio is nice. I might stay here next time I come. Our ride is here for our ATV riding.
Concern is safety. Once we leave here, there is no cell service. If you want, yeah, hold on. Eyeballs start sweating. Yeah.
Scratching the lens, put it over the nose, like chin area here. There you go.
Okay. So that brings me to our liability forms. Everybody signed, filled them out, read through them. All right, some people just read through, some just initial down. I just want to go over 2 things again on those real quick. One, once we leave here, like safety's are.
This is our after effect. Crazy. His black went to white. We dirty as hell.
Taking my pants and I got a few bodies up under my belt. Ooh.
Hello? Where we at? Oh, you want to know where I'm at? We outside!
Okay guys, I'm a little lit, but we're at the casino. We had some food. We had some food for the first time for the day. I'm trying to win some money. She's sleepy, I'm sleepy, but we ain't going to sleep. That's just what it is. It's Vegas, you don't sleep. We'll sleep on a plane.
That's 4.
How much you win?
That's 5. 4 and 1. That's 502.
Like at least like
It's
50.
like $7.
Oh, she won like $7. Me,
Big perk.
make that pussy purr. Whatever he said. I have no luck today, this weekend.
Because it's on the next trip.
That's the one. And I'm a travel agent, so book with me. And you gonna have fun too. about to get these fish to eat these dead skins off. Fran over there. Fran in the cut. Talking about it's her damn birthday. She lied so bad.
Let me get the bottom.
What's this, to attract them?
No, no.
I'm just asking.
It's just
I'm a YouTuber, so
Oh, really?
yeah.
Yeah, this
I won't get your face. Okay, cool. Better record. Good God. Oh, look, oh, look, oh, look, oh, look, oh.
Oh, this is like going in the water.
Oh, shit. Oh, okay. Oh my God. I might not have that much dead skin, but then again, I need a pedicure, so probably do. Y'all be like, oh, this shit's so... Girl, it ain't even that bad. You running out. I got a lot too. Y'all, friend acting up, cause it ain't even that bad, y'all. Bitch cut off.
We outside. You follow me? You wanna know where I'm at? We outside. Out here. Woo! Yeah. I like that, baby. Thank you, baby. I couldn't even record. It was too bad.
So we in our room, mind our business, and you know like the rooms that have like the connected door. So that is a connected door to the next room, right? It is 5:30 in the fucking PM, and we're like not even wilding, like literally laughing loud. Why the fuck is people next door, these bitches, knocking on the fucking door like we did something wrong? So bitch, I'm gonna go to the door and find out what the fuck is wrong with you. But now you ain't got no bite back. Now you ain't got nothing to say. So I'm gonna call security because y'all need to go, because you can't sleep beside me if y'all can't handle some 5:30 laughing. So we outside or whatever on the other side of like Vegas. So let's be honest. There's one side you downtown, and then there's another side you outside. So we outside tonight. Everybody look lame as hell. We're trying to find somebody we can get in paired with. When we find them, I record. Thank you.
Big boss shit. Vegas is dangerous.
It is. Alright guys, so it's our last day here. Well, last couple hours, because we're actually gonna go eat some breakfast downstairs at the restaurant that we ate at yesterday. Y'all, like for real, we have not really ate anything like legit, like bits and pieces of stuff, barely that, but like real life meals was last night, and then and a few. So yeah, we're gonna go to breakfast.
First face.
We're on our way to the airport, guys. It's been real. I still feel drunk. I gotta recover. You know, if you don't have TSC pre-check, I guarantee you need to go ahead and get it. 5 years is only $85. You ain't gotta take your shoes off and do all the extra shit at the airport. So I highly recommend it, because I just did it. I just went through TSA. Like literally like a couple minutes, and my friend is going through the regular gates, and it was so busy here in Vegas, so that shit was so worth it. I did it at the right time, right before this damn trip. What's up, gang? So it is Tuesday. I got back late last night and took a shower, ate something, and went to sleep. So here it is. Probably like, let me check the time. I got another phone. It is 11:30 a.m. I've been up doing some errands or whatever, but I'm about to go back to sleep and just relax for the day so I can get back to the money tomorrow. But I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. If y'all have any questions, make sure y'all leave it in the comments. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
I'm that bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah.